So it's currently, what, like 8 AM?
8 AM, yeah.
Yeah, we're just waiting at the port to go to the Yasawa Islands today. We're here for 8 sleeps, I think.
8 nights.
Yeah, first going to Barefoot Quarter, or Quarter Barefoot, wherever it is. But really excited, just a bit tired this morning.
Yeah. Just boarding the boat now, about to get on.
Yeah, it's very hot.
So we've just got off the boat now, we've just arrived, look at it. It's beautiful.
Show the water.
Yeah, the water's mad, yeah, show the water.
I've literally never seen water like this before in my life. Oh, it doesn't look as good now.
Oh, it was blue.
Because the sun's just gone away, but there's this little like warrior. I don't know if you can really see on that rock. But
wow.
We basically almost just died on that boat. It was like,
yeah, it was going so quick, we had to hold on. I think we're going to say hi to the people, the hosts now.
Okay,
Cheers, brother. Cheers, mate. Had to get off in my shoes. Hola. How are you feeling, George?
don't overwhelmed. Look at my trousers.
Oh yeah,
You just had
George's
to get
trousers
in.
wet, and then I've had to jump in my shoes. Great welcome though, that.
Yeah,
It's pretty
yeah.
big, this island, Barefoot Quarter. Beautiful. Hopefully we'll be able to go and show you the warrior later down there. Bula!
Hola.
Thank you, thank you. Bula. Cheers, brother. Bula, bula.
Can I make you India for checking in?
Okay. Just give us some like orange juice.
Drinks on
Give it a little
arrival.
taste test, George. Huh?
Oh, it's like
Oh, well
Mango?
nice.
mango,
Mango,
and
orange, passion fruit. Tasty. Just checked in, we'll come for some scran.
I'm having
What are you getting, George?
tropical fruit salad. It's a bit of watermelon. And I think I just saw someone having strawberries.
Oh yeah. Looks decent actually, the food. Show you what we get in a minute. Right, so we've just acquired the food. Look at Georgie's plate. What'd you get, George?
Fruit, 2 bits of bread, bit of pasta.
Yeah.
burger.
And look at my absolute mountain of food.
That looks
Lamb
good.
sausage, beef burger, fish, tartar sauce, chicken burger, salad, fruit, bit of rice. Beautiful view.
You need me.
2 beautiful views.
So once again, Max has finished eating for me, even though he had double my portion.
Absolutely demolished it. Plate number 2 coming up. Get up, Mosh.
How was it?
Decent. 10 out of 10.
Max is coming back with his second plate.
Got my second plate. Let me show you what I've got. Gone for all meat this time. Bit of fish, bit of chicken, little beef burger, tiny bit of salad. Gotta demolish it. So apparently it's UV7, so George has just ran off to sunbathe. George! George! Say hi. So these are the pools then. Little diddy pools. Look at the view. It's amazing. Wow. So we've just finished lunch and come to the market. George, what are you gonna get?
This little bracelet, some shells.
Little
And
bracelet.
a little anklet as well.
These 2 ladies are the owner of the market.
Owners here. Some billy goats up there. Just been buying them. Oh wow. Some wild goats. Do they bite?
No.
No? Oh, they must be safe then.
Full time.
So we just finished at the market. What do we get, George?
Max got this sweet
little green bulla Fiji.
Yeah. There you go. It's yeah, there's like a little thing. Memento, what's the word? Souvenir.
Yeah, souvenir.
And then I got this bracelet. Got a little pink on it.
Yeah.
And it's just a little shell anchor. Just
quite good actually, that one.
Yeah. Oh wait, this isn't the one I meant to get, but it doesn't matter.
Oh, that's okay. Now we're gonna go and have a little snorkel. Hopefully we see some shark. How are you feeling, George?
Hot and bothered.
Very hot and bothered.
Yeah.
So the time now is about 4 o'clock. I think, George, is it? What time is it?
It is 4:28.
4:28, and we're just starting a hike, about a 45-minute hike up this mountain. Apparently the views are really cool at the top. Hopefully Georgie survives. What do you reckon, George?
I mean, I'm already a bit tired.
Oh, you'll be alright.
Yeah. Such a difficult time snorkeling that.
Yeah, I had to save Georgie about 5 times.
I have asthma.
Summit hike, back beach and cave. Oh, there must be a cave then. What do you reckon to that, George? Yeah.
So you'd assume.
What do you reckon to that though?
There's
Animals?
No. They don't exist in Fiji.
Yeah, true. Apparently there's no snakes in Fiji. According to who? Butterfly, that is sick. So apparently the cave's that way. We're just gonna go for the summit hike. 45 minutes, starting now.
Okay, I think we're about, I don't know, halfway. We've just seen this, which isn't very encouraging, so I thought we were kind of at the top.
And we've made it to the summit finally. Check that. So we've just been watching the sunset for a bit. We're gonna head back down now. It's getting a bit chilly, innit, George?
Yeah, it's getting really cold.
Yeah, getting a bit windy. We're getting very hot, so we're gonna go for a sunset swim. Perfect.
Bye.
Bye, see you tomorrow.
See you
Like
tomorrow.
and subscribe.